We present to you 3A Federal Drive here in Wyndham Vale. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property, which is quite deceiving the size from the outside. So here's the main bedroom here. It's see nice and light and bright. There's your full ensuite. Floor to ceiling mirrors, built-in rooms. Just come down here. Small storage here on the side. It's got an alarm. It's got ducted heating and cooling. It's got a single lock-up garage. Separate toilet. Central bathroom. Stone bench tops. Second bedroom. Laundry. Third bedroom. And here's your first living area. I guess you could call this your dining area, meals area, even a possible lounge. It's a nice, large, light and bright kitchen, stone bench tops, dishwasher, large oven. And here's your, I guess you could call lounge or main living area. Just out here. Here's your rear courtyard. It does need to be all cut and cleaned up, but the owner's in the process of doing that.